So if you have 100 crores in your bank account but you are on a hospital bed, तो आपके वो 100 crores आपके employees enjoy करेंगे या फिर आपके बच्चे. So if you actually want to enjoy your wealth, you need to be healthy. You know, 90% of your health issues can be resolved if you take morning half an hour sunlight.
In today's lifestyle, what is one thing that you are really very upset about? This is a bad thing that people are doing.
See, I feel people taking advice from ChatGPT.
Oh,
You type on ChatGPT that benefits of coffee, and then the moment you type, I need to have coffee early in the morning. Is it good for me? It would give you negative. So you actually don't know that you're talking to a robot for your health, and the robot is designed to make you happy. And what about your food?
Eating a lot of non-veg. In
Yeah.
non-veg also, red meat I was eating like every second.
Oh, red meat is not for human beings. If you eat red meat on regular basis, your body needs at least 2 to 2.5 days to
Wash it out.
wash it out.
Wash it out.
And before it is out, you eat another portion and you eat another portion. So basically, you're torturing your digestive system, your gut.
Welcome to the social circle where the conversations are real, raw, and little bit rebellious.
so most founders build companies with teams, investors, but today's guest is very special because she herself is the business. She is the business, she's the brand, everything is all about her. So I'd like to welcome Urvashi.
Thank you.
who's
Thank you
running
so much.
Urban Gurukul, and she runs a big nutrition platform. She's a health coach, she's a wellness advisor, and so many more things. So Urvashi, thank you so much for joining us at the social
Thank
circle
you.
today.
Thank you for inviting me.
So how did your journey start?
See, my journey started, I think it started when I was growing up. I was a very rebellious kid, as he mentioned, rebellious, and it so resonates with me. I always thought of making a name for myself. You know, as growing, I was always called Nirmalji's daughter, Nirmalji's daughter. Then I got married, and I was like, I became Pankaj's wife. You know, there was always a tag along my growing up. And I always dreamt, I'm a big believer of manifestation. And I always manifested that when I go to the airport, public places, people should recognize me. That was that sole thought in my mind that I want to die somebody famous.
So being famous is what drove
Drove you
to do anything.
anything. And I was always into healthy eating, and I always was very healthy eating. People like maybe Luke or Rujukta, for example, excited me a lot. So I just started studying nutrition, and then I became so passionate about it. I started studying it more, and nutrition is vast. You can you can go on forever. So then I started studying and practicing it.
Okay, so,
So
but
here
then,
I am.
so are you coming like, so tell me about your childhood. Was like food a big thing in your house? Like Indian households run on food only, but was like healthy eating, like is this something of your personal interest, or you feel like it was the culture that you were born with?
See, I am from Gujarat, and our house is like a Suraj Barjatia home. We have 50 people in the same house
My
till
God.
date.
Wow.
So my childhood never was about healthy eating. We are 9 siblings, and one apple was divided into 3 kids, as our childhoods were back then. So it was never healthy eating was a discussion, but Gujarat, moreover as people, we eat healthy. We are not too much into fried food like how Delhiites are very fond of chola bhatura.
Really?
And Gujarat is always about dhokla,
Thapla.
thepla, more steam food. So healthy eating was there, but I was maybe more into health and always looking after what I need to eat. So that is it.
But health as an industry has just blown up in the past, maybe decade, 10, 15 years.
Yeah.
And so you said what drove you was to become famous.
Yeah.
So, but why did you decide Urban Gurukul, and why did you decide this?
So this also has a story. When I was growing up, I think I was in class 9th when I was diagnosed with thyroid.
Okay.
And back then, I had no knowledge about what thyroid is, what it is. My mother had it and I got it. And I was put on a pill. So
grade 9 is quite early. Like
ninth
yeah,
standard is
ninth
quite
standard,
early.
14, 15
So
year old girl,
till
huh?
I got married, I was on my pill. I was taking Thyronorm every morning, 100 mg,
Yeah.
and I thought this is how it is.
It's normal.
But it's normal. But then I happened to start reading about it. I started seeing videos that it is reversible, and you can reverse it. So I thought of joining a program where I can reverse it.
Okay.
When I reversed my thyroid with holistic health and functional medicine, I thought, why not help others also?
Oh, you were able to. Now you're not on the medicine.
Yes, I am not on medicine, and that is when I started studying functional medicine.
Okay. Okay.
And now I help people reverse their lifestyle disorders. So weight loss is part of the journey, but my forte and I would say USP is help people reverse their lifestyle disorders. Like if you have blood pressure, if you have diabetes, if women have infertility issues, I have 100% positive result.
Oh, wow.
This thing. Anybody who has come to me for fertility, 100% has become pregnant and had a healthy baby.
Excellent.
Yeah.
That's a big claim.
So-
and, have you learned this, or you're completely self-taught with your own inquiry?
No, learned what the.
Have you studied this?
Of course, of
How?
course. So I have a nutrition degree. I have an integrative wellness coach degree. Then I specialized in hormonal health, which is about women, hormones, PMS, menopause, infertility. And then I thought, this is also related to gut. Then I did a specialization in gut. So I have a lot of specializations. Last year I did a course called breathwork. So it's somatic breathwork where you help people release their past traumas.
Okay.
So, and currently I'm pursuing Ayurveda. So
very nice.
every
Wow.
year I keep studying. I pick up a course which I feel is very related to my work, my profession, and I keep taking them up.
So how many certifications and degrees in total?
In total, I haven't count.
Lost
Why? Because
So why?
I'll tell you. I mean, I was a fashion designer when I was studying back then in Gujarat. I have a MBA degree in marketing. Then I started studying nutrition. Then I have 3 more degrees, and now I'm doing Ayurveda. And in between breathwork. So there are a lot of them.
Excellent. huh?
If someone
Yeah.
someone young wants
Yeah.
to do the same thing what you're doing right now, and they want to build
Absolutely.
something on like a personal brand in nutrition. So what do you suggest? How should they go? They should get a graduation degree, get an MBA, or they can actually start right after school.
No, so first they need to study nutrition. They need to have basic dietetics knowledge where calorie in, calorie out, BMR, BMI, all that. They should know the basics. Like I would say how you teach kids ABCD in nursery. That much they should know. Then whatever excites them. There is somebody who can be a gut health coach, like how we had a session, gut health coach. Somebody can be a hormonal health specialist where she only does hormones
Correct.
and
Then you can
women.
choose your
health.
specializing.
And then you keep, because nutrition, you can't just study nutrition and sit that now I'm a nutrition. You need to keep learning about
So
it.
basically, nutrition is the epicenter.
Epicenter, yes.
So, usually on our social circle, we have been hosting friends. We are very fortunate to have lots of friends who are doing very interesting things, okay? But usually, what happens is that the brand comes before the founder.
Oh,
Alright?
right.
Yeah.
So, the other day we hosted, like, our friends run this restaurant, ramen restaurant. They came,
Zuru.
somebody's
Yeah,
hosting
Wabi
Wabi Sabi. So, but the founders are still on the back end, so the brand. But in your case, basically, it's a single person,
Absolutely.
So
Yes.
you're an entrepreneur in every right, but it's a very different entrepreneurial journey. So, why don't you talk about, like, I like to know about that. So, what is it? Like, is it you? You have a team? Like, what is your vision? You're properly running a business. You have
Absolutely.
impacted so many lives.
Absolutely.
But it's Urvashi or Urban Gurukul. What is the...
See, I'll tell you the facts about health and wellness industry. When I would promote Urban Gurukul, or if you talk about maybe Alive as a skin clinic, you don't know the doctor. So you are always in this confusion that if I go there, who will meet me? Who look after
Yeah,
my
of
skin?
course, huh.
But when I talk about personal health or well-being, somebody who has problem is coming to me, they don't want to meet Urban Gurukul or anybody. They want to meet me, Urvashi Agrawal, who
Absolutely.
has reversed her thyroid journey, who is into wellness
Yeah,
and well-being,
absolutely, huh.
and they don't want to talk to a robot or some machine. They want to talk to me personally and get my personal touch. That is the reason I, make a lot of content also on Instagram. This is why, because people can relate to me when they see my content, and I openly share about my thyroid, about my fertility journey, about everything about my life, what I eat, how I wake up, everything is on the internet.
yes,
So that they see those videos, they relate to those videos, and then they come to me.
So
Even
you're saying sharing everything is very important. Like, be
Oh,
open to
in
your
your,
consumer.
yeah, sharing, if you can maybe share about what you're eating, where you're traveling, all those is okay. It depends. It's a very personal choice. Sharing everything as in related to health, yes, you should.
But then, okay, so then you're absolutely right, because one is coming for a very personal, personal intent and personal thing.
Absolutely.
But now there are so many of these apps also. That non-stop ads are coming. Some food darzi or something. So in your in your profession, in your business, is it like it has to be a founder-led? Like Rujuta is famous,
Yeah.
Luke is famous. Like that's the way, or it could also be the other way around. There is a company. And companies advising app ban rahi hai, अब उसमें diet plans ban rahe हैं. Like what is the way to go in this industry?
If you talk about apps are robots, correct? So when we talk about health, people need personal touch. If somebody has infertility issues, for example, if a woman is going through infertility, just imagine the roller coaster or the emotions that she's going through, the anxiety, the stress that she's facing because of the family pressure and her own pressure. So she wants to talk to me or maybe a nutritionist in the team. People want human touch. So apps are good if you don't have any time, but still people prefer human touch.
So this industry is basically, built on your personal, personal input. Jitna tum kar lo.
Jitna
How
utna
much
kar
you are
lo.
able to do, that is the skill. But do you find that limiting for your business?
No, it is not limiting. Why? Because nutrition is just not about consultations. Nutrition, you can have your own products, you can have your book, you can have your sessions. I do a lot of corporate sessions where I have audience of 1,000 people at a time. So consultations, yes, can be limited. Like in a day, I can only see 20 people, and in a week, maybe I can see only 140 people. But then there are other aspects to nutrition also.
So that you can probably, pick
Scale up. That I can scale up.
Okay.
But you scaled your Instagram, I think around 250k followers, right?
Yeah.
How was your journey building your Instagram by yourself?
See, Shashank, if I tell you, I was a super shy, camera phobic person.
Really?
In my
Wow, I
in
can't
my
imagine,
wedding, it is a joke also. In my wedding, I did not allow any cameramen. I said,
Wow.
I don't want cameramen. I get very
Conscious.
conscious that they are always telling me to look up, look down. I can't do that. But when I started my page, I had, I think, 300 friends.
Yeah.
Like how we all have
Yeah.
300 friends. So then it was a journey. One day, somebody told me that you need to show yourself. जो दिखता है वही बिकता है in the Banyan language.
Yeah.
So if you are visible, only then people can relate you. How much ever gyan you have, but that gyan is only till your household. And nobody will come to you saying कि ये बहुत intelligent है. No, you need to
Be out there.
Be out there.
And how long ago did you start?
So I started 5 years back.
Not bad. That's
5
quite a
years,
quick,
yeah.
quick
Yeah,
pace.
yeah,
You've
yeah,
grown
yeah.
and
Yeah.
fully content driven. But the other thing that is very interesting about you is I was talking about brands and
Yeah.
founders, right?
Yeah.
So of course, Social Stays is a person on its own, and that is the first person. Shashank and I are a step behind.
Yeah.
Right. But now
In
we are
the- okay.
increasingly seeing that founders have to come, in the front, and now founders, brands, everybody has to be at the same platform. But for you are already ahead of this time.
Yeah.
Like for you, it's already
It's first you.
first you and then your brand. But do you want to change that? Do you feel that no, now I want to focus on my company, or what is it?
See, I'll tell you, if you even, you must have read about Urban Gurukul in the research. Urban Gurukul and me are not different. We are together, and Urban Gurukul is my baby. How can you separate a mother from their child, right? So, Urban Gurukul as the name also, when I was keeping the name, I was very much into ancient learning. Like I would really appreciate what my dadi used to do for me. हल्दी का दूध पी लो, या गला खराब है तो वो आटे का हलवा बना के घी डालकर she used to give सीरा, all those देसी नुस्खे जो दादी माँ लोगों के होते हैं. So I always thought that these learnings need to be out there in open. And people today are paying me that kind of money only because they get excited about the dincharya that I prepare.
Okay.
खाना पीना सबको पता है that you know you have to go on a calorie deficit, you need to eat healthy things, protein ज़्यादा खा लो, सबको पता है. But the home remedies that I introduce for your gut, for your emotional health, how I take care of your sleep, I focus the first question I would ask, आपका weight क्या है? I will never ask you. I will ask you what time you sleep. He said, he did not even inform me, and I said, you have not slept well last night. So this is because for me, sleep and all these basic things, movement, sleep, food, all this is important. So Urban Gurukul is like modern, but has all the wisdom of Gurukul. And Urban Gurukul is my own, the way I live my life.
Okay, so for our viewers, I just want to explain them. Urban Gurukul is a separate brand and Urvashi is a separate brand?
No, we are same. We are same.
You're same. Okay, so but you have your own page and there's a page of Urban Gurukul.
No, Urban Gurukul has no page. Urvashi
only
Agrawal has
Urvashi
a page.
Agrawal has
See,
a page.
Urban Gurukul is a company.
It's the name of the company.
It's a
which you
name of a
operate in.
company I operate because everybody needs a company. So Urban Gurukul is a company and Urvashi Agrawal is the founder
So the
of
business is Urvashi Agrawal, the founder is Urvashi Agrawal, the brand is Urvashi
Yeah.
Agrawal. So this is really a one-man army.
Absolutely.
You know, so again, because you know, I'm very interested. You have very different entrepreneurial journey. I'm again talking about that.
Yeah.
So what does scale mean to you?
So for me,
scale
scale is satisfying my people. And
For
I
us,
am
like scale is okay, 20 properties, 30 properties. You know, it's a sort of visible scale. But in your business, what would scale mean?
people who come to me, I would say that is scale. Like more and more, if somebody comes to me for menopause and she and that particular auntie sends 20 of her friends to me for menopause, that is scale for me.
Okay.
When I travel, if you would not believe. Happened to be in Ayodhya and I was in the temple and some random girl came and told me, can I have a selfie with you? I know you.
Okay.
So
but,
that is
that's
scale for
great.
me.
Yeah,
If
of course,
I, you know, like the
So
journey,
reach and impact.
reach and impact, and how I am able to scale up, attend more and more people. So that is scale. Maybe in future I have my own book, I have my products. That all is on my mind. I have already registered for my book also.
Oh, very nice.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you. So I call my program Aapki Dincharya.
Aapki Dincharya.
Aapki
Okay, that's the
Dincharya
name
is
of the
like,
program.
yes. So I also, when I talk to my clients also, I tell them that I'm preparing your Dincharya. So this word Dincharya I've picked from Ayurveda and आपकी क्या दिनचर्या होनी चाहिए is important for me. So
But
yeah.
do you have a team or?
See, I have teams for different things because, as you said, I'm an entrepreneur and I'm just starting up. It's just been 5 years. What I do is I have specific teams. Like I have a social media team who would post my content or edit my content. I have a team who are for retreats. Like if I do almost 2 to 3 retreats per month, those breathwork retreats. But they come into picture only when I have retreat. I hire them as per the requirement.
Correct.
So in these retreats, you take people out or it's here only?
So one day
No,
retreat.
I'll tell you what are these retreats about. These retreats are about breath work, trauma healing. So it is a day retreat which I call Breathe for Joy. And these are retreats where Jito or Rotaries or Inner Wheels, these big organizations organize for their people.
Got it.
And I conduct them.
You conduct them, huh?
Yeah.
But there's a lot of work that you're doing. You know, when I was thinking about what we'll talk about, so I'll say, so I remember in the first time, you know, first time when we met, I think, you know, जैसे होता है ना overall, अच्छा Urvashi is a dietitian.
हाँ, yeah.
You know, Urvashi is a dietitian, but you're definitely not dietitian. So how do you feel about that term?
See, people would relate to you as per their basic knowledge. So initially, I used to feel bad कि इतनी सब पढ़ाई करके मुझे dietitian को ला रहे हैं. लेकिन then I feel that once they start consultations with me, once they start the program with me, they know that I am working on overall well-being of them. You know, I work on their mind, body and soul. It is just not about आपने food आज खाया, calorie in, calorie
हाँ,
out.
200 ग्राम कम हुआ, 300 ग्राम कम हुआ, अरे
It
क्या
is
हो गया?
about
हाँ.
how you are as a person. And when you, you know, do the program with me for 3 months, 6 months, I want you to change your entire lifestyle and then say tata bye-bye to me.
Okay, so what do you like to call yourself?
I like to call myself a wellness coach.
Wellness coach.
Yes.
And to break it down, okay, so you do one is one-on-one consultation.
Yeah.
2 is retreats where you do for other organization. 3 is your education where you're educating people through your Instagram.
Yeah.
I think that's it. That's most
Broadly?
of it. I broadly have covered everything.
Yeah.
This is it.
So I'll tell you, normally I conduct a lot of sessions also. Like I would do a Aapki Dincharya session for 2 hours where
And how
I
are they
talk.
different from the retreat?
So retreat is basically trauma healing. Trauma healing, breath work is basically a lot of people have suppressed trauma. It can be childhood traumas, it can be some trauma through their wedding, anything,
Whatever reason,
X, Y, Z reasons. These retreats have breath work, ice bath and sound. It's like a day off from your busy life, and here we don't talk anything about diet or nutrition.
And
It
your
is
sessions
are
inside
healing
knowledge
retreats.
giving,
it's
healing
it
retreats,
is
हाँ.
inner
Healing-
healings.
healing
And
retreats,
yeah,
yes.
and when I do these small sessions, they are just like maybe for ladies who want me to conduct a session on menopause or some institute
your knowledge sharing,
knowledge sharing.
Okay.
So these are short sessions, 2 hours,
One time.
one time. Yeah.
So it is definitely you're taking care of the whole, you know, wellness angle of it. So, you know, of course, I think hustle is a new thing. This hustle is going also. Now trends keep changing so much. But in terms of like, if I were to say that in today's lifestyle, what is one thing that you are really very upset about? Ki nahi, this is a bad thing that people are doing.
See, I feel
Lack of
far
sleep.
worse. No, more than that. I feel people taking advice from ChatGPT.
Oh,
Because if you write, if you type on ChatGPT that benefits of coffee, if black coffee early in the morning, it give you 15 benefits.
15 benefits,
And then the moment you type negative parts, ChatGPT, do you think I need to have coffee early in the morning? Is it good for me? I don't think so. It would give you negative thing. So you actually don't know that you're talking to a robot for your health, and the robot is designed to make you happy.
You know, that's, you know, what you're saying is so good. In fact, I also had this experience with ChatGPT. So I was sharing, you know, something, I had a fight with an employee, okay, in office.
Yeah.
And I said, okay, I put it on ChatGPT, this happened, blah, blah, blah. I knew I was wrong.
Huh.
Okay, I knew I was wrong,
Yeah.
alright? But ChatGPT convinced me that I was right.
Exactly.
And then I told ChatGPT, listen, I know I'm wrong. So what GPT says, I'm designed to make you feel good about yourself.
Exactly.
Huh.
So
That's the preference.
That's
For
the
your
thing,
information, you can go to the settings and change that. Yes. So please. Yes, you can.
maybe I can change the
Yeah.
settings,
But-
but health
but
and
what you're
wellness
saying is
ka
right,
journey
yeah.
ka, you are whole day asking, people are asking for diet plans or to chat GPT.
So like she said, like ChatGPT is actually trained to make you feel good,
Absolutely.
right? But if you go and change the preference and then you tell ChatGPT to be as clear, as white as possible, he will be as white as possible.
Okay, we have to check that. So, but okay, so of course you're right. You know, ChatGPT is taking over a lot of you know, advice. We all think it's some sort of expert. But in terms of lifestyle, like, you know, like what do you think in general is really harming us? Like,
So
you
people
know, like,
not taking sunlight, I would
Sunlight,
say.
हाँ, I think so.
sunlight
सबका
for
vitamin D
me,
कम
vitamin D के अलावा भी your cells need some stimulation early in the morning. And this I face with my kids also. Like they go in AC car to school, then they have AC school classrooms,
Class में भी AC,
then they
हाँ.
come back in AC buses. There is a time that kids are taking sunlight, and you know 90% of your health issues can be resolved if you take morning half an hour sunlight.
Really?
And I can give you in writing. Somebody who is depressed, has anxiety issues, is lacking sunlight and vitamin D. आप बाहर जाकर धूप में आधा घंटा बैठिए अपने फोन के बिना.
of course.
फर्स्ट आइडिया इज फोन के बिना बैठिए धूप लीजिए आपका आधा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगा.
So that's of course a big point to note. And you know, I think as entrepreneurs and working professionals, so एकदम किसी के पास भी टाइम नहीं है और हम लोग के पास तो और बहाने हैं कि अरे there's so much to do, अरे where is the time to do, you know, all of this. हाँ,
Yeah.
no, you're absolutely right about that.
So let's talk about your personal journey. Like as Urvashi, like if I talk about Urvashi as a person, then who is Urvashi?
So, Urvashi is a very fearless girl who has her good and bad days, who is trying to fit into a lot of roles, like being a mother, and dealing with one kid who is 13 and one who is just in nursery. She's 4. So I have one teenager and one toddler in the house. Then full-time profession, but is a very happy traveler, loves traveling. So I'm a balance of everything.
Nice. So let's talk about traveling. Traveling is exciting because that is where I guess your and our paths overlap.
Yeah.
So
I met in Goa, I remember.
we met in Goa, and also she's a solo traveler.
Yes.
And it's so I have not met many of my friends who will even dare to do this. Listen, I can't dare to do this because मुझे लगता है कि क्या ही होगा, मैं तो बोर हो जाऊंगी, कैसे time कटेगा, all of that. And here we are running a business absolutely
On
meant
solo
for
travelers,
solo
solo
travelers,
traveling,
and
yeah.
and this is such a big trend, and I'm sure it's a very exciting journey. How did you discover? And I think you have a routine, right? You have to do 1 or 2 trips a year.
Yeah, so I do one trip abroad and one trip in India every year, and it's been since 3, 4, 5 years, I think.
And
So.
Oh
which
wow,
was your
5
first
years,
trip?
2 solos every year.
Yeah.
And
I
which
do
was your
this.
first solo trip?
So my first ever solo trip was Hong Kong, I think 8 years back.
How did you decided to go?
I'll tell you, I was not going solo. I had to go and meet a friend of mine. She stays in China. So we decided we both will meet in Hong Kong and have a girls' trip. She's my childhood friend, and by chance, she happened to get pregnant before the trip.
Oh.
And she had to cancel it. And then the entire pressure came on me कि अब तो
क्या
जा ही नहीं
करोगी,
पाओगी,
क्या
अब तो तुम
करें,
कैसे
हाँ,
करोगी, अब तो तुम माय हस्बैंड kept on nagging me, तुम तो नहीं जा पाओगी, अब तो तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा. And I said, why? क्यों नहीं हो पाएगा? No, you always need somebody to look after you, this, that. And that is the time when I thought, now I will do it.
Yeah.
तुमने एक number 1 वाले को challenge किया. And I thoroughly enjoyed that trip. I was not answerable to anybody. Why am I waking late? Where am I traveling? What am I
of course,
eating?
That's the best thing about solo
yes.
traveling. You can actually do whatever you
You
want
want.
to do.
Because whenever you travel with friends, family, kids, of course, those trips are also lovely. But in a solo trip, you're so much into your own self. You're sitting idle for 24 hours and there is nobody to even ask
Question
you.
you, yeah.
कि तुम क्यों नहीं कुछ बोल रही हो? And you meet so many strangers there. Like they would teach you something, guide you with you something. You have those experiences. Days pass.
So you said 6 years before you went
Yeah.
on your first solo, and your business is 5 years old.
Yeah.
So somehow solo was the inspiration. It pushed you to
It
start.
can be. No. I would not say solo was my reason to start a business. I always wanted to do something. In fact, I tried a lot of things. I was wanting to open a Pilates studio when
nice.
demonetization happened.
Yeah.
So every business that I thought of was always related to health, which I understood. But something or the other was,
So the timing was right for this.
Yes.
Ultimately, you were meant to do this. Of course, it all happens. We all have journeys. He's also done a few things. I've also done a few things. And ultimately, you realize कि यही करना था.
यही
और
करना
वो जब
था.
time होता है तभी ही
Yeah.
करते हैं.
Because everyone is running very busy, right? And nobody has time to take care of themselves like they should. I'll talk about myself. I try to do everything. I go to the gym. I go for a run, and I try to stay fit. But still, I think last month I got done some reports and it was bad. It was real bad. And my doctor was like, what are you doing?
Like these reports don't look of a
Yeah,
young
for
man.
like me and who's looked so fit and everything. But yeah, it was bad.
But what are we doing wrong? Like we know कि ये करना चाहिए वो करना चाहिए. हम क्यों नहीं कर पा रहे हैं? Like what is it?
See, I'll tell you, because we are not prioritizing our health. We know it all. We have a lot of knowledge, more than the ancestors had, because so much knowledge is there out in open. So हम prioritize नहीं कर पा रहे. We go to the gym, but remaining 23 hours, we are always on screens. You would say at workplace also you are on your laptop. You come back home, you are on your phone.
Absolutely.
You are on your TV. So we think we are prioritizing our health, but if you calculate, your entire day goes on your screen.
पर फिर कैसे करें? Work है, अब इतना काम चलाना है. We are such growing businesses where is like you want to, we all want to be mindful. ऐसी बात नहीं है. But you know, how do you manage it all?
You need to be balanced. First thing, we don't need that much food. Our whole day we keep planning. अब breakfast में क्या खाएं, अब lunch में क्या खाएं, अब dinner में क्या खाएं, बीच में क्या खा लें. So first thing, you need to make peace with your food. You need to have less food. We don't need those big portions. And दूसरा चीज, simplify your food. If you really
I mean,
want, yeah.
number of meals can be more. This is what you're saying, and like,
No,
but the,
I
the
am
portion
saying-
size.
General food you need less only.
You
We
need
eat
less
much
food.
more than we
if
need.
you see Sadhguru, he has only one meal a day, lunch. Other than that, he has having his fruits or water.
Somebody like me,
Yeah.
if I don't eat for 2 hours,
Huh.
I'll be very cranky.
Okay.
And after 3 hours, either I'll get a headache or like I'll feel nausea or something like that.
I'll tell you why, because this is your body's memory. You've been doing this all your life. You've been eating every 2 hours, 3 hours. So this is the body memory, and body informs you now I need more food. But if you plan and change your body, you change the pattern, you can survive easily on 2 meals. Intermittent fasting we all are doing, and we survive on 2 meals.
Okay, someone like me, if they want to change their diet and like their plan, so how much time does it take to
I
actually
think,
change it?
see, to change, you need at least, anybody to change or inculcate a habit needs 21 days.
Okay.
So
Not
if
much,
you
huh?
follow 21 days, a particular plan or particular dincharya, you can change your body's memory. So if you have 100 crores in your bank account, but you are on a hospital bed, तो आपके वो 100 crores आपके employees enjoy करेंगे या फिर आपके बच्चे. So if you actually want to enjoy your wealth, you need to be healthy.
Yeah, but like you know, as somebody, I like to maintain balance, and I feel that you know, I'm trying to do it all, but of course it takes a lot of effort, and I think you're right. You know, yes, we have simplified our food करते करते, you know, we have learned that, but then कभी बाहर चले गए, कभी ये हो गया, वो हो गया, you know, you constantly have to be mindful. I think that is what you're trying to say. It's
See, we need to be
constantly
mindful,
huh.
and you have 21 meals in a week. So you focus that 19 meals मुझे घर के खाने हैं, 2 meals I can eat out, and that also you can be little mindful. But if you are doing 19 meals at home, you can enjoy your 2 meals. But saying that I would eat out every day and I would eat healthy,
Whatever I feel like,
but
हाँ.
मैं 1 घंटा सुबह gym जाता हूँ, you cannot be healthy then. You may look healthy, but your inside reports, your scans should be healthy.
Also, you know, one very interesting, this I feel socially, and what Shashank also said when his reports came, we are inner and outer. They're very different. And outer absolutely does not reflect the inner. And inner also does not reflect the outer. अंदर ही अंदर body में क्या हो रहा है एकदम पता ही नहीं लगेगा.
Yeah. And that is
Yeah.
the reason you should do your scan every 6 months. So that you are very well versed that आपके actually lipid profile क्या है, how is your kidneys, livers. You need to know about your body. And body is such a temple that if you actually worship your body 3 months, I would say not more, just 3 months, you can totally change the anatomy of your
In
body.
3 months?
Yeah, totally. Like your skin, your hair, your liver, your kidneys, everything can be brand new.
Okay, so जितने भी you know nutrition gurus होते हैं, सब basics जो बोलते हैं
जी, जी, जी.
sugar छोड़ दो,
Fried
right?
छोड़ दो, मैदा छोड़ दो, processed
So,
खाना.
is this it? Basics are same only?
See, healthy living is basics. You don't need to have those fancy numbers, fancy foods. Simple चीज़ें हैं, आपको मालूम है refined sugar is bad for your body, it is poison. Anything which is white is poison. I would
Really?
say white is maida, white is table salt, too much of table salt, too much of sugar which is refined. आपको खाना है बैलेंस में खाइए. Once in a while if you do your गाजर का हलवा घर का बना हुआ, you can have it. But अगर आप बोलोगे रोज मैं काजू कतली खाऊंगा, रोज मैं कोल्ड ड्रिंक पीऊंगा, तो of course it would harm you.
Okay, मैदे पे मेरा एक question है, I'm curious, right? So for example, Europeans, they are very fit, fitter than us. This is what I feel as genes. अब वो तो मैदा ही खाते हैं, उनके पास तो मैदा ही है. तो मतलब what's the difference?
I'll
here?
tell you, यूरोपियंस
good
के
question,
पास
हाँ.
यूरोपियंस के पास हमारी तरह 10-15 नौकर चाकर नहीं है. Europeans eat, they start their food at 6. If you're talking about Europe, just observe them in your next solo trip. They would go to a restaurant at 6 o'clock, order
Dinner.
a big bowl of salad with a glass of wine. They would take at least 30 minutes to finish that salad, chew it well, and maybe then order for a grilled chicken or a grilled fish. Europeans, we just feel that they are having pizza every day, they are having this. Their breads are also actual keto breads or sourdough breads. हमारे breads मैदा हैं, जिन्होंने हमें bread दिए हैं, but वो मैदा नहीं खा रहे हैं. वो खाते हैं, but they burn it out also. They are walking, they are cycling.
I think for Indian, one of this big thing is the sedentary lifestyle.
Yes.
That is and
Yes.
for most of us, it is the case because we have
I
so much
remember
help.
I went to Venice 2 years back. A European came. He picked my two heavy 25 kg suitcase, pulled it out from a ferry, and for 3 kilometers he walked
He was
with
walking.
those and tuk karke he was walking. And when I was so inspired and
Amazed.
curious, I asked him, "What is your age?" He said 55.
Oh wow.
Wow, amazing. Huh?
And he looked so dashing. Forget the looks, but he was so fit.
Fit.
He said we need to do this. But हम तो airport पे भी we hire a
Porter कर
porter.
लेते हैं, हाँ.
No, we can't do this. Then we have घर पे AC अभी AC चलाने के लिए we'll call somebody. Please put on the AC. So this is the reason there is a difference between us and Europeans.
Okay, I'm going to ask you some quick questions.
Yeah, yeah.
So let's talk about some viral health hacks, okay? For that we hear about and so what is the 1 2-minute morning habit that can change someone's energy for the day?
As I mentioned, sunlight. You need to get morning sunlight, and there is no question, no alternative to that. Morning sunlight is non-negotiable. अपने आपके घर में कहीं पर भी balcony में, garden में, छत पर जहाँ पर भी sunlight आ रही है, go sit in the sun for 10 minutes.
Well, it can have such a big impact on
Yes.
you. If someone could change only one food habit, what should it be?
Restrict your refines. Like as I mentioned, salt, maida, sweet, all the 3 whites. Restrict them. I'm not saying
mat
totally
khao,
give
हाँ.
up, but once or twice a week.
What is the one food that most people should eat more regularly?
Leafy greens. I would say leafy greens they should have as much as they can. Like even for our kids, palak, methi, bathwa. We see कि बच्चे नहीं खाएंगे, but we need to introduce them early, and we also need to.
We
have
also need to have. Okay. What is the one food habit people should stop immediately?
Eating late night dinners on the
What's the maximum time?
late night means I think if you ask me we should go by the sun cycle. 7:30 should be the last meal. But if you have office and you can't manage,
हाँ.
still you need to finish it before at least 8:39.
So the 2-3 hours before sleeping, is that the thing?
That's the main idea, that you need to give a gap of 2 to 3 hours.
Okay, got it. What is the best snack for people who work long hours?
I think makhana or maybe roasted chana. For women, if they are into their menopause, they can have roasted chana with little ghee and gur. They can have it as a snack. And for men, they can have just makhana or roasted chana.
What is the one simple sleep habit that improves health significantly?
See, you need to understand that our phone has blue light. And if you keep on scrolling the phone at till the last minute of your sleep, you would have too much stimulation in your mind. So you
issue,
need
yeah.
to avoid the screens at least 1 hour before you sleep. You should have that night time, me time, where you're journaling, where you're manifesting, where you're meditating,
And screen
breathing.
मतलब TV भी
How to
नहीं,
do that?
phone भी नहीं, कुछ भी
Very
नहीं.
difficult.
हाँ,
You
screen
need
free.
to change. As I said, it is just 21 days. You would not believe I haven't watched TV past 3-4 years. I don't know what is on Netflix. I don't know what people see on series. I have no idea. I sleep by 9:45. So till 9 I'm with my kids. Then I start with my night rituals and I'm off to bed.
Strong.
Strong, of course, a lot of commitment, but then
You
you're also
need a
reaping
lot
the
of it
benefits of it. हाँ.
See, I sometimes feel very lost in a crowd of people where they're talking about मैंने ये series देखी, अच्छा वो तुमने किया था क्या, वो बहुत अच्छा है, and I feel oh my god, what do I
say, हाँ.
what do I say? But that's okay. I wake up at 5:30. I do all my stuff early in the morning. So I have this routine for myself.
You know, one question also it is, like a lot of people associate food with stress.
Yeah.
This stress eating ka issue.
Yes.
Is this a thing or is this Just to make ourselves
So
feel
this-
comfortable, we eat.
See, stress and food are correlated. Why? Because when you are stressed, you need some kind of happiness. And people feel that I'm stressed, so I will have an ice cream, I will feel better. Of course, you feel better when you have had an ice cream. Your body feels good, you feel happy. But then you are torturing your body more. एक तो आप स्ट्रेस्ड हो, उसमें आप फिर अनहेल्दी
junk खा लिया,
ईटिंग कर
हाँ,
रहे हो,
हाँ।
और फिर दैट अनहेल्दी ईटिंग इज गिविंग यू मोर स्ट्रेस कि अब तो मेरा वेट बढ़ जाएगा, अब तो मैंने गलत खा लिया.
True. How do I eat? So after dinner,
हाँ.
like I can order one cheesecake, like
Okay.
proper पूरा वो जो box में आता है, and then like something cake or pastry. और मैं दोनों खत्म करके सोऊंगा. और मैंने मंगवाई हो 2 दिन के लिए. But I'll eat the whole thing
When
and
did
then
you
I'll
last do deworming?
Deworming. I'm not sure. ये तो dogs की नहीं होती है. I got it done for my dogs.
Yeah, no, deworming dogs से ज़्यादा हमें ज़रूरत है. And
But my digestion is good overall.
No,
I
it is
think
not
I
about
think that.
digestion.
हाँ.
It is about you craving so much meetha.
हाँ, I do
So
that.
that is why, because I asked when was your last deworming. We
There
need
is
at
probably
least once in a year.
something in the system.
See, my gut has good and bad bacteria both. So आप कह सकते हो कि जो गंदे कीड़े हैं, bad bacteria हैं, उनको खाना चाहिए. That is why you crave for sugar again and again. Once you're deworm, your system would not crave for sugar.
I'll get this done.
Zentil.
Yeah.
I'll get this done.
3
I'll
times
get
a
this
day.
done. For sure, I'll get this done.
Three consecutive
This
nights.
is a very bad habit. I know that it's bad, but I'm not able to help it because I really like meat
Yeah.
so much.
But then maybe there is a scientific reason. Except that मुझे पसंद है. मेरा मन कर रहा है. Maybe उसके पीछे
मैं
भी
मान
कोई.
गया हूँ, मैं रेड मीट भी नहीं खा रहा हूँ और मैं मीठा भी कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
So let's go to the next segment. हाँ.
So detox juices cleanse your body.
See, detox juices help, but if you're only on a detox juice, if you feel that अभी detox juice पीकर मैं lunch में कुछ heavy red meat या कुछ खा लूँगा, तो that detox juice has nothing to do. It's just a myth. But
It's a myth, okay.
if you are on a 3 days detox juice fast, maybe then it would clean your system.
Then okay.
Yeah.
Gluten-free diets are healthier for everyone.
Yes, I would say they are healthier. Why? Because आजकल जो gluten जो आटा आ रहा है वो नकली है.
Okay.
So gluten free is good because it does not create inflammation in your body. But
So it's healthier for everyone.
Yeah, it is healthy, but
it's
you can have gluten also.
Skipping breakfast helps weight loss.
Everybody is different. I cannot do
Can't generalize.
I cannot do without a breakfast. So it depends on body to body.
Yeah.
Somebody needs a heavy breakfast. Somebody is okay without a breakfast.
Yeah, I can have like a.
Individual choice. Yeah.
She doesn't need, and
I don't
I have
need
like a plate full of
I
everything.
need morning mein I need my 500 calories breakfast, like a big breakfast. I can't function without breakfast.
Okay, coming back. Eating fruit at night causes weight gain.
See, as per Ayurveda, fruits are not supposed to be eaten after 6 o'clock.
Oh.
They
Okay.
are acidic in nature. So अगर आप फ्रूट्स खाते हो 6 बजे के बाद, तो वो कहीं ना कहीं आपकी बॉडी में पित्त बना देते हैं. लेकिन अगर आपको कभी बहुत भूख लग रही है, तो यू कैन हैव मे बी एन एप्पल और अ बनाना, समथिंग लाइक दैट, बट नॉट दो सीट्रस फ्रूट्स.
More than anything, ये तो मेरे लिए educational होता है इतना. मतलब मैं घर जाके.
You should have called me for him, not for your
He'll call you now.
घर-
That
घर-
वो client एक client मिलेगा ना.
I tell you,
हाँ.
after work,
Yeah.
I go home and before going to the gym, right?
Yeah.
I have to have a snack.
Okay.
So either I'm having fruits or I'm having like a snack. But
Snack like what?
Snack anything like a chicken lollipop or like a tangri.
How
like
does a Jain manage with a hardcore non-vegetarian? It's a kahani.
It's basically a lot of food on the table. The kahani is a lot of food on the table. That's all. I'll do the
That's-
second. हाँ.
Intermittent fasting works for everyone.
No, again, everybody is different, and people who have ailments like cancer, maybe diabetes, they should avoid intermittent fasting.
Coffee on an empty stomach is harmless.
Coffee on empty stomach is like you are adding acid to your body. Coffee, black coffee is hyper acidic, and your body early in the morning is in that detox phase, so you can't put acid on an empty body.
Okay. So Urvashi, so we've learned so much from you, but tell me
Yeah.
what does your day look like? Now let's talk about that. So you
So-
said that you don't know Netflix, no this that, but let's hear exactly what your day
How
looks
do
like.
you take care of
So
yourself?
if you ask me, I'm a very early riser. I almost wake up every morning. I have to. I may sound like Akshay Khan. I may
Akshay
sound
Kumar,
like
हाँ.
Akshay Kumar, but I have to see a sunrise.
Oh, really?
And
Huh.
I have this beautiful balcony where I can see sunrise every morning. So I wake up almost 5:30ish.
Wow.
I do my oil pulling. Then I do my brushing. I do my meditation pranayam. I do my sunrise, sun gazing. Go to gym, send kids to school, then off to work. Eat healthy the entire day. Do my consultations. Evening, either I do maybe a game of badminton, or nowadays I'm learning belly dancing.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
Huh.
So after the whole day of consultation, I need my 1 hour of detachment from the entire world. So I either do belly dancing or I do a game of.
But there are 2 physical activities you're doing in a day, which is one gym and which is any activity like
No,
belly
so
dancing.
gymming, I do 40 minutes of strength training thrice or 4 times a week. I balance my day. The day I'm doing gymming, I would not do
Okay,
anything.
so only one thing I
One
will-
activity. Gymming is like recreation. I go to the gym, I lift weights, I do my morning walking, all that. So I have a healthy day. And at night, I would say I do my night tea routine, journaling. For me, journaling, manifesting, all these modalities are very, very important.
But then how do you manage? Like, for
Lifestyle
example,
is very-
like if somebody asks me, I have a Monday to Thursday routine,
Yeah.
which is maybe quite similar to
Yeah,
yours, and then I
yeah.
have a Friday to Sunday routine.
Same with me.
I think,
Same
I think
with me.
but that
Yeah.
is that is what is balanced now.
So I have not become a sannyasi or
because we're all living in the world, in society.
I love my friends. I love meeting people. I love going for night outs or parties. But I have my plans which I decide a week ahead. I'm not a very abhi ka like immediate wala person. I can't plan anything instantly. If I know that I have to be out on a
So then you
Friday,
prepare accordingly,
I plan
prepare the week, huh?
accordingly. I'm a stance Virgo, I would say.
Okay.
I plan things ahead.
I don't plan.
Sound like you.
I just do
no,
it.
but so it's great. So some things that I've taken away from you as somebody who's also really aspiring to do it all. Like, I really want to have like a healthy, and we are learning that at this age, now we are learning that it's not all about the outer. Like the inner also has to be working.
Absolutely.
Working well. So, but I've learned, some great takeaways, and you're right. The best, like one of the biggest takeaways that I've had from you, that simplicity is basically what nails it. These
Fancy things.
fancy things, so much health food is it's the most booming business at this point of time.
Absolutely.
Health foods. But how about like the simple makhana roasted at home?
Yeah.
A
It's
simple
probably the
khichdi,
best-
ghee khichdi.
Yeah, it's probably the best, best you can give to your body. So, simple thing, going back to the basics, not overcomplicating health, because overcomplicating health also becomes very difficult to manage. That's when I think health becomes unmanageable. And especially for entrepreneurs who are running busy lives, when we overcomplicate this health ka topic, then ab to nahi ho paega. Ye recipes kaun nikale, kaun kare. But actually it is sticking to the basics, what we all know, and incorporating some better habits can
Better
really make a difference.
habits,
Huh?
and I would say just plan your day. People who say कि मैं तो जो भी करना है वो कर लेती हूँ, जो आता है वो हो जाता है. If you have that attitude for your body will give you back the same attitude. If you worship your body, if you plan your day, you inculcate some habits, some clean habits, you will see that you are very balanced. You are very balanced as a person also.
So now, what next? So we spoke about, that you're looking to register a book. You're looking to. So what is the next? What is the next this year looking like? 2026
So
looking
I
like for
think
you?
2026, as I mentioned, I'm studying Ayurveda, and I make all these faki, or I would say churanams. For my clients also, like if somebody has a digestive issues, I have those gut related churan, constipation. So I give them as just out of love
a part
to
of
them.
your,
Yeah,
consultancy,
if you
yeah.
have this problem, I'll make it for you, and But the responses that I'm getting from them, they are amazing. So maybe 2026 by the end, I would launch Urban Gurukul.
Some products will be there. Huh?
Yeah,
Oh, very
yeah,
nice.
yeah.
I think, that sounds great. And that will be another, learning
Achievement,
journey
yeah.
and, achievement for you.
Absolutely,
That will, that will put you in the whole business per se. Like,
Yes.
how we understand business. That was supply chain, hai,
Product.
operations, hai, ye hai, wo hai,
She's launching a product.
हाँ, no, very, very nice.
So ये प्राणायाम हम उन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के लिए कर रहे हैं जो कहते हैं कि हम पूरा दिन बिजी हैं और हमें रात में नींद नहीं आती या सुबह हमसे उठा नहीं जाता. These pranayams are called Chandra Bhedi and Surya Bhedi. Surya Bhedi क्या होता है? When you want to charge up your concentration, you want to be very energetic. So Surya is like Surya side when you are up in the morning, and Chandra is the night side.
Okay.
So आपको, if you are like before stepping in the car, I was doing Surya Bhedi. You inhale through your right nostril and you exhale through your right nostril only.
So you close the left nostril.
Yes, you close the left side
Okay.
and you inhale and exhale from the right side. Let's do. So this I do before all my events. Like whenever you're stepping in for a meeting or you feel that your energy is a little low, you just need to activate your
Yeah,
right
it's like-
side.
it's like
That's
that.
your
Okay.
Surya Bhedi, the Suraj of your body. And when you feel that मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही है, I'm like too
worked
much
up,
overthinking
too
is
much
going
thinking,
on,
yeah, absolutely.
then you just calm your, you just do Chandra Bhedi. That is left inhale and left exhale. So your body automatically becomes very calm, and then you would have a good sleep.
Okay, nice. Thank you very much, Urvashi, for joining us today.
Absolutely. It was
We've
a
learned a
pleasure.
lot, and we've had this nice chat. I'm definitely coming back with takeaways. Shashank is going back with too many takeaways, and we've enjoyed talking to you. On the business front, when I met you, you absolutely, all the input that you're giving to your body, the output is very much there. As even our team has commented on your fantastic energy and your glowing skin.
Thank you so
and
much.
It's very nice, and really, I feel by putting yourself out there is probably the best business thing you have done. And that's something that it's really changing the
Commendable.
game for founders
Yeah.
now. That now we are also having to put ourselves out there. But I guess you were really ahead of the time, and understood that is the right way to approach, and that's
Thank you so much. It was amazing chatting with you both. It was good.
Thank you, Urvashi.